right, we are back again with another tablet. As you can see right here, this one looks a little smaller than the one I usually review on the channel because this one is the Lenovo Tab M8. And this is actually the tablet that is used by my kids. So if you're a parent watching this video and you're looking for a tablet potentially to give to your toddlers, this is a great tablet that you can use. Now, one of the great things that I love about this tablet is that it is very affordable. So usually the best time to get a tablet like this is around Black Friday. And then the other time obviously is close to the Christmas holidays. You can get this for under, I think, $100. If you look right now, I checked Best Buy. Like I'm located in Canada, so when I check the price, it's around like $150 right now. So definitely, if you are looking to buy a tablet that is affordable, I would definitely say wait for Black Friday and the holidays, and you can pick one of these up again less than $100. Now, I mentioned that this is used by my kids, so obviously the only thing that you'll really find on here is YouTube Kids. That's what I have my kids watch periodically. We have the parental control app on here. And as you can see, I have a lot of the other apps blocked so my kids can't use it. And overall, I think the tablet just has about 2 gigs of RAM. And once you put the parental controls on here and you block a lot of the other apps, I find like the tablet is pretty responsive. Now, again, my kids just use it for YouTube Kids, so they watch a couple of their videos and they're fine. They don't complain or anything in terms of performance. Now, if you're a person who isn't using like your laptop or your computer on a daily basis, and when I'm talking about using it, I'm talking about moderate to heavy use, so you're there watching a lot of high definition videos, if you're doing editing, that sort of thing, definitely this isn't the tablet that you would choose. This tablet is more geared again towards individuals that lightly use it. So if you periodically, check emails once in a while, if you go ahead and like to do a lot of reading on tablets for your books and stuff like that, this is a great alternative. But again, this one is great for parents. Now, I know some parents, they love to go out there and they love to go ahead and get their kids the latest iPad, the most expensive Samsung tablet, etc. Look, if you got toddlers, they gonna take this thing, they gonna throw it. It's gonna break. It's gonna break your budget. It's gonna break your heart. So don't do it. Get this tablet right here. It's great. Great for parents if you're going to give it towards your kids. Now, this one comes with it doesn't come with this case. I actually bought this case separately. So if you do want me to review the tablet case, I can do a separate video there. But again, this is the Lenovo Tab M8, and you can see like one little caveat though, like when I did put on the parental controls and everything, you can see here that the tablet is pretty responsive. Now, out the box, one of the things that I noticed is that it had a lot of bloatware. It had all those other applications, and the tablet was just extremely slow. So if you're not going to be giving this to your kids and you do want to use it, I would recommend uninstalling a lot of apps. But again, once I put the parental controls on there and I started blocking a lot of apps, this thing became like pretty quick. I would say, like, even though this thing has like 2 gigs, sometimes I would probably say it's almost as fast as my other tablet, the Samsung A9 Plus. But let me not get ahead of myself. Again, this is a great little tablet for those who, again, are parents and want to give their their kids a good little first tablet to use, or just an everyday user who, you know, periodically checks their emails and wants to read books and stuff. This is a great little tablet. Again, make sure you get these on sale. Don't pay the full price right now, which is $150. Wait for Black Friday, wait for Christmas, and you would get a really good deal on one of these. So that is it for tonight's review. I'm going to be bringing more videos on electronics to the channel. And as you notice, this was my first little video gearing in towards parenting. So you might start to see a little bit more of tech related videos aimed towards parents as I kind of move into that niche a little bit. The one final thing, if you stayed this long to the video, I do have a store now. It is SeanSimsTech.store. I'm going to link in the description below. It's still in the early stages. I'm trying to put up like different sort of tech products and such. I do have a section there for parenting. Like my kids are going to be close to 4 years old, so I've had some experience here going through with my kids, and I just created a lot of great resources that I think like new parents would find helpful. So if you have stayed this long to the video, you can check it out. It is in the description below, and feel free to leave your feedback on the website. I think some of the prices there are kind of affordable with regards to parenting, but again, like I will take any suggestion. If you think the prices are too high, just say, hey man, it's too damn high. I can't afford this, all right? But it would definitely validate to me that the product is valuable. And I truly, again, think that parents would find it valuable. And I just wish I had resources like that could help me throughout my parenting journey. So again, thank you for watching the video. Sean Sims Tech off. I'm going to be bringing more videos to the channel. As I mentioned in my community tab, it is the last couple months of the year. Everyone's going to be winding down, but not Sean Sims Tech. I'm going to be bringing more and more videos out, and stay tuned.